Hello, I'm Margo Mott, and in this short video we're going to show you how to measure yourself. This can be done in inches or centimetres. It's important though to have the aid of someone to help you in front of a mirror. It's a step-by-step, easy to do, and of course it is made in Australia, here on the Gold Coast. Let me show you also the way to measure your dresses. This is very important because every dress is different and so are you. So when we look at a dress style of any kind in my collection, always make sure that when you go to measure the length in front of a mirror with the aid of someone to help you, it's important to measure on the top of your shoulder across your bust line and then take it to the preferred length that suits you. You also need to look at measuring the sleeve length. That's also very important. And whether you want short or 3/4 or longer, the tape measure will help you in your arm length. The other side of it is this we need to consider, is the bust itself. When you measure, once again, take the tape measure right across the fullest part of the bust and the higher part of the back and measure accordingly. Then you take it to the waist, which is approximately about an inch above your navel. That's important. And then we take the fullest part of the hip line all the way around, once again, to take the correct measurement. Now, with some of the dresses where we have splits, it's important also to focus on what length do you think you'd like to have. So if that's too much of a split for you, just make it out to be wherever the length may be. In this case, it's very long, but you might like to have, let's say, a 7 or an 8-inch split. Somewhere where it covers from your actual knee to the length of your dress.